So I think this is part 2 or 3, I'm not sure, of taking apart the Civic series. We got all the main parts off, which is the suspension. Suspension is out and everything. We wanted those. Oh, well, you can see through there. That's the suspension and everything. That's out. The coil's out. We're trying to get the radiator out right now. This is the progress right here. Yep. Got the hose out. And then we gotta get the radiator fan. Just gonna put from here. And then the radiator pack is out. Okay, yeah. Yeah, the hoses and everything. Backyard mechanic.
Oh my gosh.
But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys more progress when we get more progress out. I really enjoyed working on these 2 Civics. I also hope you guys enjoyed watching me learn and grow. It's always been my dream to work on cars and build them up and take them apart just to see how they work. I'm grateful for working on these cars, and I plan to work on many more. Over here looking for the right socket size. We need a 14. 14. I don't think this is a 14. Oh, guys, it's a rainy day today. Well, today is the day the Civic goes. I know there's been gaps in the videos a little bit. Like, I'm gonna make it up right now. So the gaps that you guys didn't see. The taillight's out. Alternator, AC compressor is gone. You know, exhaust would have been here, gone. Took the muffler off too. It's gone. Right now, I'm just gonna take this battery. This is it. I just finished taking both mirrors off just now. And this is it. This is how she's gonna go. I'm just really happy he got rid of it, man. This car right here, way better than this one, as you can tell. It's just that he would have needed to spend a lot more money into it. As you can see, the frame rails are bent up. Right here, crushed in. Frame rails missing here. Showed you in the last videos of rust everywhere. Look, paint, all messed up. Compared to this one, perfect. Perfect, you know what I mean? Sure, like there's a couple dings here and there. Like, you know, it's not really a ding but rust. A little bit of rust here. It's just on this side though. Not as bad as that. And it's raining, so you can't really tell right now, but there's a little paint fade in the front. And I didn't tell you guys, the first day he got it with this car right here, he give it a little love tap and decided to give it a little mark. I don't know. I'm gonna record when the people come and pick it up and finally take it away for the last time. Well, the tow truck is here. This is Engel's final goodbyes. The tow truck is up there. Oh, up there. They're gonna come back here. How you feel about leaving this car, Engel?
I'm happy.
You happy?
I need to bring the keys for this car and move it here. But
Where? You put it there?
Yeah.
I'm with. I got.
Wait, take a
I'm
photo.
taking a photo too. The tow truck came, and the tow truck driver said he can't get the car for where it's at. He can only back up. I don't know if you can see. Hold up. So yeah, I know the driver is cracked up, but he can only go back up straight because he's a flatbed. He can only back up straight down. So he can't turn around the corner where the car is at, sitting back there. So okay, let me tell you what we're doing with the truck right here. So what we're attempting to do now, we're gonna try to move the Civic from over there to right there. So when the truck comes on Monday, because today's Friday, they don't do it on Sundays and Saturday. We're gonna leave it right there. So when the truck comes, he can just come back straight, get the car, and pull straight out. And that's what we're gonna try to do right now. I don't think I gotta tell anybody this, but just in case somebody decides I want to do this too, don't, because the way we have this car jacked down on this piece of wood is sketchy, and the way we're pulling it, ultra sketchy. Please do not do this at home. So I guess they're gonna try to drop it on this wood to support it right here. Right here, we're tying the front subframe to the tow hitch of the Tacoma. Is this a safe way to pull a car? No. Will it get it done? Yeah. Oh, sliding. Coming this way.
Go a little bit straight.
Oh.
Okay, ahí está.
We got it moved from here all the way to here. So hopefully now it's just easy for them to take it. I know I didn't show you the whole process, but maybe I might be able to show you. There's a camera in the back over here, up there. Maybe I might show you the process of us moving it. I don't have the full clips here because the camera was not getting everything, but the way we moved this nearly 3,000-pound car was we would drag it a little bit, as you can see, and you see that whiteboard over there? I would get that whiteboard, get a jack, slide it under where the rear frame for the bumper would be, the crash bar, and slide it with the jack and push it. You're gonna see me try to push it. Yeah, that didn't work. But I would push it with Ashton's dad, and sometimes I would push it on my own, and it would slowly shimmy and shift, and we just had to keep doing this about maybe, we did it maybe about 15 times, and we got it in the spot where you seen wheels at. Also after that, that's not where the story ends. After that, we were supposed to get this car gone by like the 24th, but for some reason the tow truck company was like, nah, we can't go on Monday. They wanted to wait an extra couple weeks, and then I went with another company, but by the time they came, it was already March 1st. It was 2 weeks later, and they came and finally took the car. They were supposed to give us money, but they're like, hell nah, this car has nothing on it. And Angel, Ashton's dad, was like, you know what, just take the car. I'm tired of it. It just needs to go. And then they came and picked it up, and that's it. Anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next project. Thank you for watching.